What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while, but got a new unboxing for you today. This is TripleChip's Unbox the Box. Picked this up at Canadian Tire. It's the MasterCraft corded 1 3/4 horsepower fixed base router, and then get the router table too. 9.5 amperage. Got a 3-year warranty. This cost it $299.99, but you can usually get these on sale. So we'll just show you what you get with this. Back of the box, there's the router you get, and you get a fancy little table for it. I always wanted to get one of these, and I just can't remember what I paid for this on sale. What's inside here? So you're going to get your router table guide. It's going to show you how to set up your table. I'm sure it's English, and if you're in Canada, you got the English and French. So get that. You get your fixed base router instruction manual, English and French once again. Okay, so this looks like this part of the table. Looks like you can hook a vacuum or something up to it, just a way. Maybe you can hook a shop vac or something. Safety guard. I'm taking it. Some cardboard. Got your guide on there. This is the conundrum inside here. Pull this out first. Here's part of your table. The other half of your table. That's the piece the router sits on. Let's just get around this side. It's got so much stuff sitting on here. Fairly decent sized table. Check out these cardboard sleeves. Bug. This is the bottom, or your base. Let's get this out of the way for a second. Ugh. And vacuum adapter. Wrench and screws all inside this box. Have my handy dandy knife on me, so we'll just don't go away. So there's a piece to get in there. Looks like for some type of vacuum attachments or something, maybe. Bag of your hardware. That wrench probably does everything you need to do with it. Last but not least, looks fairly decent build quality. It's your MasterCraft router. It says work light on here. I don't know, maybe it's got a light on this too, but there's your on-off switch right on the side here. We'll just get it assembled and we'll be right back with you and show you how it looks. Okay, and we're back. We got it all put together now. So this thing is just like if you want to do certain cuts. Okay, this it's the wrong way, I think. You can just set your certain levels of degrees. If I doubt if I'm going to be using it, but you would just set it. Say if you wanted it at 40, you line it up with your little indicator here, and this just freely slides back and forth. And watch, this comes right out. It's not attached on. What we have on the back side here is you can simply hook a shop vac to this, so you have most of your dust just not flying all over the place. It'll be going into your shop vac. And this is the fixed base router, so always make sure you run it towards the guide side here, so this will pop up. And I'll just hit your router bit. This one's for doing edges. So that's about it for the MasterCraft fixed base router. I haven't figured out how to do plunge cuts, and I was reading through the manual. This attaches on somehow. I think this is if you want to do plunge routing, but kind of haven't really figured this out. So if any of you guys know how this works exactly, if you could just comment or direct me towards another video that shows how to use this or explain how this is used. I know it slides into the router. I just don't know how you attach it to anything. And then you have your wrench, 2 different sizes for your spindles. Because most of the spindles are like the one that's on here now, which is quite a bit smaller. That's like a pretty big shaft. That one, I don't have any bits that are that big. So that kind of wraps it up for this unboxing of the MasterCraft fixed base router and table. You just picked it up at your local Canadian Tire. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up on the way out. Want to see this table actually working, just go over to my TripleChip's Adventures blog, where I'll be doing the backyard edition. I've shown how this stuff works. I haven't been able to travel much, so I'll show you this in action. And then I'll have another one on all the bits you can get and stuff. So until next time. Oh, and one other key feature. See, that's why they got it this way. It says rotation. You always want to go in towards it. It's in a clockwise position. It looks counterclockwise, but this is upside down, so make sure you always wear safety goggles. I just got glasses on, but that'll have to do. So we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Later.